Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss organizing our factory and machinery to ensure smooth movement of products and enhance work efficiency. We'll focus on setting up a factory with a capacity of 1500 kg per day within an area of 1000 to 1500 square feet. First, we begin with the raw material entry and storage. Choose a location near the entrance to receive raw pulses. Right next to the entrance, create a storage area for these raw pulses. It should be conveniently accessible for unloading and transporting to the processing area. Following this, designate an area for the pulses cleaning machine. Afterward, place a pulses husking machine nearby to remove the skins from the raw pulses. Immediately after, install the splitting machine to split raw pulses. Next, in the polishing area, set up a polishing machine to remove the outer layer. After that, place a dal grading machine to ensure uniformity in the final product. Subsequently, arrange for the packaging area to be set up. In this area, workers ensure the packaging bags are properly weighed before being filled with the finished product. Once the packaging is completed by the workers, near the exit, establish an area for finished product storage and dispatch. Use shelving units or pallets for storing the finished products, organized for easy access and dispatch. By considering all these aspects, you can efficiently produce Pulses Dal. All the best.
Subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel.